Hello everyone. We're going to try a little substitution problem here. So I know we've worked with substitution before, but we're going to try one just to refresh our memories. So if you notice here that we have two equations, both solved for y equals 3x plus 2, y equals 2x minus 3. When we have both equations that are solved for the same variable, what we could do is take the left side and set it equal to, the right side and set it equal to the right side on the second equation. So what we're going to really do is we're going to take the 3x plus 2 and we're going to substitute it in for the y variable in the second equation. So we're going to have, instead of y equals 3x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 3, we're going to have 3x minus plus 2 equals 2x minus 3. And from here, we can now solve by getting the x's to one side. So we're going to subtract 2x from each side, and it's going to cancel out over here on the right, and we're going to get x plus 2 equals negative 3. And we'll subtract the 2 from both sides to get x equals negative 5. So this is only 1/2 of our solution here. The next thing we're going to do to find y is we're going to take this negative 5 and substitute it back in for x, either here or here. It doesn't matter which equation. So if we do y equals 3x plus 2, we're going to take the x out and put the negative 5 in its place. So we get y equals negative 15 plus 2, or y equals negative 13. So we remember that once we have our x and our y, we're going to write it as an ordered pair. So negative 5 comma negative 13, and this is our solution. So to check, we have two equations, so we have two checks. So first thing is we're going to write out our equations. And we're going to take the x and sub it in, and the y and sub it in. So we get negative 13 equals 3 times negative 5 plus 2. And we're just going to simplify here. So we get negative 15 plus 2, so negative 13 equals negative 13. This one's okay. And we're going to do the same thing with the equation on the right here for the second check. So negative 13 equals 2 times negative 5 minus 3, or negative 13 equals negative 10 minus 3, or negative 13 equals negative 13, and that checks. So that means that because both of the checks worked, that our answer is correct. That's it.